Theme 2, Animals. Lesson 4. A. Listen, point, and say.
World. Jungle.
Good at climbing tree.
Country. Plant.
Tiger. Crocodile. Elephant. Giraffe. Hippo. Zebra. Tiger. Crocodile. Elephant. Giraffe. Hippo. Zebra.
Is there a tiger in the zoo?
Yes, there is.
Are there crocodiles in the zoo?
No, there aren't.
B.
1.
Listen and read. It's time to look for more animals.
Is there an elephant in the zoo?
Yes, there is. Look!
Are there crocodiles in the zoo?
No, there aren't.
Is there a hippo in the zoo?
No, there isn't.
Oh, I like hippos. Are there giraffes in the zoo?
Yes, there are. Where's Alfie?
Oh,